Hi, Violet and welcome to week 10. Gosh, that was some awesome rain that we needed, that we had this weekend. So that was really fabulous. I wanted to tell you about the exam. The mean was a 72, which is good. The C mean is what we want. And there was some awesome high grades. If your grade wasn't as high as you wished, we still have a final. We have lots of work still to do, so you have a chance to bring that up, so don't despair. We have actually no more exams until big exams until finals week. The lizard assignment went really well, and this week you have a similar one on the pocket mouse and how populations can change over time. So I think you'll enjoy that one. It's a really fun one. I was really happy to meet two of you in a restaurant this weekend. So if you do see me around, please come up. That was really nice to have someone come up and say, hey, I'm in your class. So it's a chance for me to meet you. It was so great. Also, if you see anything fabulous, like I thought the termites were, and this week someone sent me a picture of a fossil that they found, anything that you see that's related biologically, that's something related to our class, or even not so related, but still biological, and you want to share it, send it to me, and then I can post it so that we can see it. It's a way of sharing at a distance, but it all works. So good work, you guys. Hang in there. Keep at it. Sun's shining now, and have a great week.